Kit Harington is an English actor with a net worth of $14 million. He began his career in theater before making the transition to film and television. Harington's breakthrough role came in 2011 when he was cast as Jon Snow in Game of Thrones, which became a cultural phenomenon and one of the most successful TV shows in history. He portrayed Jon Snow from 2011 to 2019. In addition to his television work, Kit has appeared in films such as Pompeii in 2014 and The Death and Life of John F. Donovan in 2018. Known for his brooding good looks and intense screen presence, Harington has earned several awards for his performance on Game of Thrones, including a Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Drama Series. Early life. Kit Harington, born Christopher Catesby Harington on December 26, 1986, in Acton, London, is the son of Deborah Jane and Sir David Robert Harington. His mother affectionately shortened his name to Kit shortly after his birth, and he didn't learn his full name until he was 11 years old. Through his paternal grandmother, Harington is a direct descendant of Charles II of England. He attended Southfield Primary School from 1992 to 1998 before his family relocated to Worcestershire when he was 11. Harington continued his education at Chantry High School in Martley until 2003, then graduated from the Central School of Speech and Drama in 2008. His interest in acting sparked after watching a performance of Waiting for Godot, leading him to participate in several school productions. Game of Thrones salary. For the final 2 seasons of Game of Thrones, which consisted of 14 episodes aired between July 2017 and May 2019, Kit Harington earned a salary of $1.1 million per episode, totaling $14.3 million for those seasons. This per-episode rate ranks as the 6th highest ever for an actor on a television show, tied with several of his co-stars from Game of Thrones. In seasons 5 and 6, Harington appeared in 20 episodes, earning $500,000 per episode, which amounted to $10 million. Overall, Kit's total earnings from his entire run on Game of Thrones are estimated to exceed $30 million before taxes. Career. Initially focused on pursuing a career in journalism, Kit Harington's path took a turn when he was cast in the original production of War Horse, where he received widespread recognition for his outstanding work. This success led to more professional theater engagements, including the play Posh. Harington gained international fame when he was cast as Jon Snow in HBO's hit series Game of Thrones. The show debuted in 2011 to massive critical acclaim and was quickly renewed for a second season. Harington filmed much of his role in Iceland and Northern Ireland, and the series lasted for 8 seasons, concluding in April 2019. He received high praise for his portrayal of Jon Snow, earning a nomination for a Saturn Award for Best Supporting Actor on Television, as well as a Primetime Emmy nomination for Outstanding Supporting Actor in a Drama Series in 2016. By 2017, Harington became one of the highest-paid actors on TV, earning £2 million per episode. Harington made his film debut in 2012 with a role as Vincent in Silent Hill: Revelation 3D, a horror film based on the video game Silent Hill 3. That same year, he was honored as Actor of the Year at the Young Hollywood Awards. His first major lead role in a feature film came when he portrayed Milo in Pompeii, which was filmed in Canada. Although it had modest box office returns, the movie received negative reviews. Harington voiced Eret in How to Train Your Dragon 2, 2014, which was both a critical and box office success, winning a Golden Globe for Best Animated Feature Film and receiving an Oscar nomination. In 2014, Harington starred alongside Jeff Bridges in the poorly received Seventh Son. He later featured in the HBO comedy 7 Days in Hell, a short film about a fictional, grueling 7-day tennis match. In June 2015, he replaced Robert Pattinson in the Western thriller Brimstone. In 2016, he took on the role of Salen Koch, the main antagonist in the video game Call of Duty: Infinite Warfare. Harington also starred in a West End production of Dr. Faustus, which received mixed reviews. In February 2017, he wrote, starred in, and executive produced Gunpowder, a three-part historical drama for the BBC based on the real story of the Gunpowder Plot, to which he has historical family ties on both sides. In November 2018, Kit Harington began starring in the West End production of True West, written by Sam Shepard and directed by Matthew Dunster. The play premiered at the Vaudeville Theatre in London and ran until February 2019. Following this, Harington reprised his role as Eret in How to Train Your Dragon: The Hidden World. In 2020, he participated in a virtual performance of an excerpt from Chris Thompson's play Burn. Later that year in September, Harington appeared in the Netflix anthology series Criminal UK, which received positive reviews upon its release. In August 2019, he joined the Marvel Cinematic Universe as Dane Whitman in Eternals, which was released in 2021, further expanding his repertoire and showcasing his versatility as an actor. Personal life. Harington and his Geordie co-star Rose Leslie began dating in 2011. They announced their engagement in The Times on September 27, 2017. They were married in June 2018 in Aberdeenshire, Scotland. The couple had a son together in February 2021. In May 2019, as the final episodes of Game of Thrones were airing, Harington checked into a luxury mental health and wellness retreat for a month in Connecticut to help him tackle issues with stress and alcohol abuse. Harington and Leslie split their time between Canonbury, London, and a 15th-century country home outside Ipswich, Suffolk. Kit is heavily involved in charities such as the Royal Mencap Society, UNHCR, Amnesty International, and Chance to Shine.